Hello everyone, this is Natasha with AllProWebTools. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to add action with the prospecting pools in AllProWebTools. Prospecting pools allow you to repeatedly upload a list of people into the campaign. The system will add a participant to your campaign each day by the amounts you set up. In order to do that, we're going to need necessary web tools. Simply hover over the setting, then click Web Tools. We're going to scroll down and then click on the button that say Add New Web Tools. The web tools we need is called Prospecting Pools. Simply click Add. Before we start, I will suggest you to create a new tag called Pool and upload a CSV file into the tag first. This will be the list of people who you want to put in the campaign. This pool system will let you add a tag into your campaign and will remove these participants out of the tag once the campaign is over. I'm going to be showing you how to create a new tag. Hover over the contact and choose Manage Tags. Type in the tag name and then click Create Tag. Also, I'm going to be showing you how to import contact into a tag. Hover over the setting and import export. Then click to import contact right here. The step one, we're going to choose the tag that we created. Then click the preview right here and follow the next step. And now we can begin by hover over the marketing and then click Prospecting Pool. This page will be showing the current send limits. The quantity in use by pools mean the number of people that been added to the pool. Remaining quantity available for pool mean the amounts of people you can still add it to the pool. On the first box says remove from this tag. You can choose the tag that you just created. And next, we're going to choose the existing campaign. And then click on the button say Add this pool. Once you're done with editing the actions, you can click to Save All. And that is how you create actions in prospecting pools.